journey begins as fresh avocados depart for the state-of-the-art processing facility. Colossal robotic arms begin the meticulous process, handling massive bins of freshly harvested avocados. Enjoyed the video? Hit like,
Sí, y las
subscribe,
máquinas hacen el
and turn on the
trabajo
bell
más
for
fácil.
more. A rhythmic cascade begins as thousands of avocados flow onto a massive, automated conveyor system. The vast receiving hall orchestrates this monumental operation with precision and automated grace. The journey continues as avocados are gently guided towards the next stage of advanced processing. Jets of air swiftly remove any imperfect fruit, maintaining rigorous quality standards. This sophisticated process guarantees consistent excellence in every batch. From harvest to product, technology ensures peak freshness and superior taste. Colossal machines prepare the harvest, ensuring every avocado is pristine. High-pressure jets and rotating brushes work in unison for a thorough cleanse. The multi-stage washing tunnel meticulously cleans each piece, readying it for the next step. Emerging perfectly clean, the avocados are now prepared for their transformation. Thousands of perfectly ripe avocados enter the colossal halving and pitting machine, ready for transformation. Mechanical arms precisely eject pits, ensuring the clean separation for further processing. This marvel of engineering transforms raw fruit into ready-to-process halves with unmatched speed and efficiency. Avocado halves begin their journey, transformed by state-of-the-art machinery into a creamy base. Within gleaming chambers, powerful blades begin their work, transforming fruit into a rich puree. Automated giants stand testament to precision and scale in the heart of modern food production. Relentless rotation refines the texture, achieving a smoother, more consistent product. A complex ballet of automation concludes this phase, preparing the puree for its delicious destiny. High-pressure homogenization refines the avocado puree, creating a silky smooth consistency. Precision engineering ensures every particle is transformed, delivering unparalleled texture. This meticulous process guarantees premium quality and an unparalleled sensory experience. From the fields, nature's bounty is transformed into a velvety base. Precision dispensing ensures perfect flavor. Now, the massive paddles activate, ready to perfectly blend. Advanced robotics monitor every stage of blending. The continuous rotation ensures a perfectly smooth blend. Robotic arms provide continuous, automated adjustments. Expert eyes confirm the ideal consistency. The heart of the operation, powerful paddles at work. Automated dispensers ensure consistent quality with every batch. A final visual inspection confirms the perfection of the velvety avocado base. Precision machinery transforms ripe avocados into a velvety puree, the foundation for our delectable mousse. Advanced pumping systems ensure the perfect consistency as mousse moves to the filling stations. Robotic arms perform a ballet of precision, perfectly piping avocado mousse into each container. Cutting-edge sensors ensure every pot is filled to the exact desired level, guaranteeing perfection. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The completed avocado mousse pots move towards their next destination, ready for distribution. From raw ingredients to finished product, The Moose line operates with unparalleled efficiency and technological prowess. From liquid base to perfectly frozen dessert, precision engineering guides every step. This continuous ribbon of creamy green delight signals the culmination of expert craftsmanship and advanced technology. Each container is perfectly sealed, preserving the fresh taste of our premium avocado ice cream. From humble avocado to exquisite dessert, our automated line delivers perfection in every scoop. Precision robotics craft the perfect foundation for our gourmet avocado cheesecakes. Our unique avocado filling is expertly dispensed with advanced technology. The final touch, a decorative flourish by advanced robotic artists. Ready for chilling, our cheesecakes enter a specialized cooling environment. Each exquisite cheesecake is carefully placed into its custom packaging. In a symphony of automation, colossal machines transform nature's bounty into vibrant, creamy avocado smoothies. From filling to sealing, every step is executed with flawless, robotic precision and incredible speed. Thousands of perfectly sealed bottles, each a testament to advanced automation, roll off the line every minute. Advanced sensors perform rigorous quality checks, ensuring every bottle meets the highest standards. In this modern factory, efficiency and scale coalesce, delivering fresh, quality products to the world. Advanced automation ensures flawless packaging at an impressive scale. From the production line, perfectly packaged desserts embark on their onward journey. Precision robotics ensure every product is perfectly branded and ready for its next stage. Automated systems meticulously collate and arrange products for efficient packing. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced robotics ensure every package is securely sealed, preserving freshness and quality. Skilled operators supervise the complex dance of machines, ensuring peak efficiency. From raw fruit to perfectly packaged products, the journey concludes with precision and care. Welcome to a colossal, automated world where efficiency and technology intertwine. Precision and automation ensure every product reaches its destination seamlessly. A highly synchronized network of robots ensures optimal product flow.